So I have a little nerdy story to tell while I'm messing about with this, as usual, because I'm always messing about with something like this these days. So there was a guy, his name was Jim Riggs. He worked for a little computer company that you probably don't know anything about called Apple Computers. And he made a bunch of sounds for this thing called the Macintosh. And one of these is the thing you hear when you turn the machine on, and you still hear like a giant, I don't know, C major chord play on the whole keyboard, like a boom. Okay. He did like a lot of funny little sounds like this. He was like the sound designer for it. Well, Jim Riggs, he had a camera, an old camera. He had a camera apparently since he was in high school, and this camera is a Canon AE1. This is a Canon AE1 program, and when he had the need to make a sound effect for the Macintosh for when you take a screenshot, he recorded this. Oh, if I activate my camera it would be better. He recorded this. His camera makes a squeaky noise and this one does not, because this is actually yours. It has been serviced. Well, this is a common fault that's been fixed, but this should sound familiar. It has been used as the shutter sound for the iPhone too. I think it's not only, it's only doing it in portrait mode. But yeah, so this is the Power Winder A. There's a coupling here. And what this unit does is obviously just advance the film for you. Oh. It advances the film for you, because obviously this is a manually wound camera with a good old advance lever here. But sometimes you want to be able to shoot. And this wheel on this camera, it works on the A1, the A1, the A1 program. It works on all of those. I think it goes at 2 FPS, which is not bad. And this gets especially useful. And the actual reason for why I got this thing, not just to talk about nerdy shit, but this makes it convenient too. Shoot with a cable release. Because if you do not do that, you may have this on a tripod, and you do this, and then you cannot do this. You will need to touch the camera, or if it's rigged in a weird way, this will help. It's also convenient, obviously, if you are taking, like, I don't know, pictures of yourself, because obviously once the picture is taken, it will advance to the next frame.